Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Morphe James Charles palette. I'm going to be using the middle row of these neutrally shades right here. So let's get started. I'm going to start by taking the shade Tune and kind of putting that all in the crease. This one doesn't show up too much on my skin tone, but this is just kind of a good shade to use for blending. Next, I'm going to take the shade Code James and just place this in the outer corner, kind of towards the middle of the lid, and crease. I'm going to take the shade 10% Off and put that kind of in the same area just to deepen it up. Next, I'm going to take the shade No Beans and put that in the outer corner and lower crease. Next, I'm going to take the brush that I had Tune on just to kind of blend the edges a little bit. I'm going to take more of No Beans just to kind of deepen it up again, and I kind of want it to be a little bit more brown toned. And I'm just going to blend a little more. If you wanted a shimmer, you could totally use the shade Wig, but I wanted to try to use the shade Tune on the lid, so I'm going to use my finger to apply that. I'm going to take a little bit of 10% Off just to kind of put in between these colors. Then I'm going to add a little bit more of No Beans on the outer corner. Some more No Beans. Going to use the shade No Beans for the lower lash line. I'm going to use the shade Face for my inner corner. I might add a little bit of ring light on top of that. And the last step, of course, is to apply mascara. Here is the finished look. I really like how this turned out, and I hope you did too. This is definitely a more warm tone look, but it is a nice matte look. I haven't really done a lot of matte looks on my channel. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know if there are other shades in this palette that you would like to see me use. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!